Now I wanted to talk about something that's kind of gotten me a little bit in an uproar today. And Mike, I want you to make sure you got the tape rolling on this separate. Okay? I am just aggravated. Now, I'm talking about Pro Player Stadium or Joe Robbie Stadium or Sun Life Stadium as it's currently known. But what it is it's an economic generator for our region. Now, if you're doing a large real estate transaction, they draw a circle around it and they do an evaluation of its regional impact. When we talk about managing our region's water, we do it on a regional basis, not by some artificially drawn county line. I wonder how the people in Broward County would feel if we simply cut I-95 and the Turnpike off at the county line and didn't let them into Dade County to come see their football games, go to their hotels, go to the plays, go to the movies, and go to the sporting events, even if it was just the Miami Heat events. So I don't understand why the people of Broward County and their city officials and their elected officials are so up in arms about us asking them to pay to help bring an event to the Sun Life Stadium that will improve the economic vitality of Broward County as well as Dade. So folks in Broward County, step up and do something with Dade County, or you'll see that you can't come, or you'll be disappointed when the stadium is built or improved without you, just like the baseball stadium is in Dade County. Step to the plate, Broward County. This is Jim Freed for Freed on Business. I'm out of here. Sorry I stumbled, but I got pissed. That was stumbly bumbly, but it was okay, huh? Was I all right?
Yeah, you were good.
They got it. When I get a little angry, I get it. But you cut that separate, right? Mm-hmm. Thank you, Michael. Hilaire.
Hey, how's it going?
Schwitzy in the pits today.
So getting angry allows you to release all that energy, right?
Yes, I got, well, what that was frustration. That's frustration, because that's just pure stupidity. We talk about transportation. We all have to work together on these large issues. And I guarantee you that the Miami Dolphins went up there and talked to Broward County before they went and floated this idea, and all the politicians said, okay, no problem, until it hit the paper and they all ran for cover. This is what I should have done on the radio. Oh.
I still have you rolling.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm just absolutely over it. I mean, this is just ridiculous. This is ridiculous. The fact that these people don't understand that this is a regional issue. It's not Dade versus Broward. It's us against them. And we need to keep the Super Bowl in South Florida and do other things too. And believe me, the people on the north side of that stadium will appreciate the shade in September.
The after show.
And I guarantee you a lot of them live in Broward and Palm Beach County.